Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 人参とナッツのサラダ. It's carrot salad with creamy and nutty dressing. Very easy to make, but it tastes amazing. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with the salad, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 300 grams of carrot, 30 grams each of peanuts and walnuts, both roasted. For the dressing, 3 tablespoons of ground sesame, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, and 1 tablespoon of ponzu sauce. Let's cut the carrot. Peel the skin. Cut the bottom off. I want to make it into ribbons, so just keep peeling. Please be careful not to peel your fingers. I'm using this little fork to hold the carrot. The last bit is your snack. Do the same for the rest of the carrot. Prepare boiling water and cold water. You never want to overcook the carrot, so you're cooking it just for 30 seconds, then releasing the cold water immediately. Just for 30 seconds. Then into the cold water. Let's drain and dry. Now, I'm making the dressing. So let's mince the peanuts and walnuts. Not too small. You don't want to lose the texture. into a large bowl. Same for the walnuts. Ground sesame, ponzu sauce, and mayonnaise all into the bowl. Give it a mix. Add carrot, toss with the dressing, little bit of salt to your taste. Serve in the bowl. And 人参とナッツのサラダ is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。It's so rich, creamy and nutty. I'm not a big fan of carrot, and I said this is 4 servings, but I think I can have it all. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 人参とナッツのサラダ is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Anything you like for the other dishes. But how about plain rice here, enoki miso soup here, and pirikara cheese chicken for the main. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.